Tonight, News 6 investigates a secret court where the government can punish you, but you have no right to a lawyer. Lawyers say the University of Central Florida runs a kangaroo court where your kids' rights are thrown right out the window.
Now several students are suing, saying UCF's closed-door conduct board is just not fair. Mike Holfeld found out how UCF can label someone as a rapist when the state attorney doesn't think there's a case.
As they found his comments objectionable.
The reputation around campus is that it's a kangaroo court.
It's a place UCF students actually fear.
Because it's behind closed doors, they can do what they want.
Even police think a student would rather be arrested.
You don't look like you're 21, okay?
Than face UCF's secret student conduct board hearings.
They get more trouble. Well, they can get their scholarship suspended.
In UCF's closed hearings, police don't have to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt.
The burden's very, very low.
Even when accusing someone of a crime like stalking, even rape.
I was outraged to the point that, let's just say I've never been more outraged in my entire life.
Defense attorney Lyle Mazin says he was shocked UCF refused to drop a rape case when a video surfaced that, in his view, exonerated his client.
When we get evidence that's so strong and so exculpatory for our client that the police officers even say, you know what, it's clear your client did no wrong here and we're going to close this case out, that a school can actually look at a videotape and just completely ignore it and still attempt to expel the kid out of school, it's mind-blowing.
Police dropped the criminal rape case, but Mazin's client was still forced to wait for UCF's conduct board to decide his fate.
Their parents are frantic. Everything about their lives has been completely turned upside down.
For Mazin's client, the conduct board voted not guilty.
Thank God we actually had video.
But what about rape cases that were not caught on camera and everyone was drinking?
Whenever alcohol is involved, it can be difficult to prosecute because we have oftentimes testimonies that don't match.
Even Orange County State Attorney's Office has refused to prosecute some of these cases despite the UCF Conduct Board's findings of guilt during casual hearings with less rules than a courtroom.
So you have all kinds of rumor, innuendo, hearsay, gossip, that kind of evidence that can come into these proceedings and influence the outcome and result in somebody being found to have committed a heinous sexual crime.
And then there's the recent case of a frat caught on camera.
We're gonna rape them, who cares, dude?
Making offensive comments about rape that lawyers say showed no crime. Still, UCF temporarily suspended the fraternity before clearing it. A move First Amendment lawyer Larry Walters says could get administrators sued personally.
They've been subject to accusation of wrongdoing, even though their conduct was protected by the First Amendment.
We should tell you UCF is facing 3 lawsuits alleging unfair punishment, 2 for stalking, 1 for rape. The state attorney did not prosecute those cases. Mike Holfeld, News 6.
Mike, thank you. And we asked UCF if it has the same ethical obligation as the state attorney to not pursue a case it cannot prove. The university would not answer that question and declined our request for an interview.